Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this Christmas green and red makeup look. So if you're here for it, let's begin. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to go into my Sigma Enchanted palette using the brush that comes with it. I'm going to use the E38 Diffuse Crease brush and apply the shade Evergreen, this really pretty evergreen green shade, into the crease area, and then I'm going to pat it in with my medium sweeper brush, the E54, onto the lid area. So everything's going to be green and then blended upwards. Now I'm going to take some toner with a cotton pad and I'm going to clean out a little bit of the fallout under the eye area. Now I'm going to apply a winged eyeliner using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my upper lashes. This is the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. And now I'm going to apply my Luxy lashes in the style Flossy with my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive. Now I'm going to apply the shade Evergreen with my medium sweeper brush again, but under the lower lash line area. Time to add a pop of red. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I am going to apply first this matte red shade and then this shimmery matte shade onto the inner corner. Now to bring out my eyes a little bit more, I'm going to apply my Rimmel Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal eyeliner in the shade Nude into the waterline. And now I'm going to go back in with my NARS Climax mascara and apply that to my lower lashes. To outline my lips, I'm going to apply my Profusion matte lip liner in the shade Passion, really beautiful red shade. All right, so here's the final look. What do you guys think? I feel like I am screaming Christmas. These are the vibes that I'm going for. I really love this. I love the little hint of red. It's so different. I definitely never do a colorful inner corner look, so I am really here for it. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section down below. If you love this look, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please also click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Let me know down below what videos you would like to see next, and I hope to see you in my next video. As always, have a beautiful, Padeeful day. Bye!